Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono Fighter. This is a 2005 machine on a 05 plate with just 26,149 miles, 4 owners from new and a full service history of mileage, including a valve service at just under 24,000 miles. This bike is in exceptional condition and comes in the very nice red colour. You've got the standard exhaust there. Quite unusual on these early Tuonos and RSVs. They often get changed out for something else, so it's quite nice to have the original exhaust there. The rear wheels in fantastic condition with that Tuono rim tape, and you've got the red brake caliper there as well, matching the red paintwork. You've got a Rentec rack, which does provide a bit of luggage carrying capacity, but of course that can come off nice and easy. If you don't like the look of it, it's just a couple of bolts and there's nothing left to show that there's been a rack on it. All the bodywork on the bike's in excellent condition. As I said, that standard exhaust there, absolutely tip top. The rear shock, that's a Sachs unit in there, although it's gold, it's not an Öhlins, it is a Sachs unit, and that's in excellent condition as well with no corrosion, as you can see. The seats, there's no rips or tears, and they're the original items as well. It's an absolute beauty. This, of course, Aprilia, when they designed this bike, they said we need a naked bike. Well, we've got this RSV1000, should we just take the fairing off and put some handlebars on it? Yeah, all right then. And that's basically what you've got. You've got a full beans RSV1000. It's even got RSV1000 there on the air intake, look, but just with a more comfortable upright riding position. Absolutely bonkers these bikes are. Bar ends, mirrors and levers, again, all good. The levers have been replaced with some alley items. The little front fairing there, again, that's in excellent condition. And the front forks, again, in superb condition, and somebody's done a nice job of putting a gold radiator cover on there, which looks quite nice. You've got the crash bung there, which hasn't got any marks on it, and the belly pan, again, all in excellent condition. Front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Those red Brembo calipers there again, looking the part. The front mudguard, no stone chips, no dings, dents, scuffs or scratches there. There is a slight stone chip there, but of course the bike is getting on for 20 years old, so you've got to expect a bit of patina. The left-hand side of the bike, that again in excellent condition really for age and mileage. The bar end lever and the mirror all in great condition. And the fairing, again, no marks on the leading edge. All the indicators to suggest that the bike's been over. The front wheel on this side all good, as well as that fork. Slight scratch in the paint just on the rad cowl there. Easily sorted. And again, your air scoop there, all good. Petrol tank, again, unmarked, in fantastic condition. No corrosion anywhere on the bike at all, no marks on the levers. Chain and sprockets, all in excellent order. Bags of life left in those, of course, as well. There's the other side of that rear shock, just to show no corrosion there either. And your rear bodywork, all in excellent order. I'll just show you the tyres, bags of life left in that. That looks like a nearly new tyre to me. Top of the tank, all good. You've got a tank pad there. And the top of the tank, no scuffs or scratches there at all. And your digital and analog clocks all where they should be. So if you're after a, well, let's call it a retro now, shall we? Retro naked superbike, look no further than this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono Fighter. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT. The service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Tuono, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.